Shalom YouTube, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified. Coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Habeas Corpus is for prisoners. So with that being said, let's get to it. As you guys know, I'm not a lawyer. I do not practice law, and I don't pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. So now with that being said, let's get to the subject matter. Okay guys, you have guys teaching this YouTube, teaching this child support stuff and how to free yourself from child support, teaching you guys to write a writ of habeas corpus. Now, my question is, why write a writ of habeas corpus if you're not in prison? Because a writ of habeas corpus are only written for, to release the body from out of prison. So like I stated before, and I tell you guys over and over and over again, watch out for these guys, man. These guys are, they're part of the system, man, and they're designed and they're sent here to keep you guys in the system. For all the guys who have freedom thinkers and want to think on their own and know that they can get out of the situation. They have pawns who are set up on purpose to try to put you guys deeper and deeper into the system. So for anybody to tell you to write a writ of habeas corpus and you're not even in jail, that's all nonsense, man. That has nothing to do with anything. It's just digging you deeper and deeper into the system. So with that being said, guys, let's read the definition for habeas corpus. Habeas corpus, Latin, it means you have the body. Who have the body? The court system has the body, right? The prison system has the body. So you want them to bring the body forward. But let's continue. It says the name given to a variety of writs, right? Then it says, of which these were anciently the emphatic words, having for their object to bring a party before a court or judge. So you see what that means? It says having for their object to bring a party before a court or judge. Okay? But let's continue. In common usage, and whenever these words are used alone, they are understood to mean the habeas corpus ad subjiciendum, right? So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna check that out too. We're gonna find out what that means. We're gonna break this stuff down. Like I said, guys, we here to, bring truth out. All that other stuff they got going on, man, and these false writs and first it was writ of mandamus. Now there's a writ of habeas corpus. It's getting too out of hand now. Maybe he's not telling y'all the real reason why he's doing a writ of habeas corpus. That means a lot of his clients are probably ending up in jail. That's why he's doing writs of habeas corpus, to try to get them free. That's the only reason why I would see anybody write a writ of habeas corpus. But now with that being said, guys, we're going to go a little bit deeper. So let's go. Let's continue on. Okay, guys, now as you guys can see, we're on the Cornell Law School website. So let's stroll up. It says habeas corpus overview. It says Latin for that you have the body. Who has the body? Let's read let's continue to read on what it says. It says in the U.S. system, federal courts can use the writ of habeas corpus to determine if a state's detention of a prisoner is valid. So the state has the body as what? As a prisoner. But let's continue. A writ of habeas corpus is used to bring a prisoner or other detained, e.g., institutionalized mental patient, before the court to determine if the person's imprisonment or detention is lawful. Okay? So again, habeas corpus is only talking about a prisoner or somebody who's institutionalized. But let's go. A habeas petition proceeds as a civil action against the state agent, usually a warden, who holds the defendant in custody. So it's a petition to who? The state agent. Okay? But I tell you guys, to bind the agent. You see? I'm just telling y'all over and over and over again, man, what to do and how to do it. But let's continue. It can also be used to examine an extradition processes used excuse me, the amount of bail and the jurisdiction of the court. Okay, guys? So that's it. So we all see now that it still have to do with prisoners, right? and those who are arrested. So again, the only reason why somebody would tell you guys to write a writ of habeas corpus is if you guys are in jail. You see? And if you going and you buying that guy's services and he telling you to write a writ of habeas corpus and you're not in jail, then what's up with that, man? Something ain't right, man. Yeah, man. I be telling y'all this over and over and over again. Something not right about that guy, man. Yeah, me. But let's go on. Let's continue to move forward. Okay, guys. Now we already went over the definition of habeas corpus, but let's stroll up where it says, and whenever these words are used alone, they are understood to mean the habeas corpus ad subjiciendum, right? So let's see what ad subjiciendum means. Let's stroll over. Here we go, guys. Habeas corpus ad subjiciendum, a writ directed to the person detaining another and commanding him to produce the body of the prisoner or person detained with the day and cause of his caption and detentions, right? So that's another Latin word, right? But it says to do, submit to, and receive whatsoever the judge or court awarding the writ shall consider in that behalf. Okay, guys? But again, it's to bring forth the prisoner. That's all I'm saying. So if somebody have you write a writ of a writ of habeas corpus, and you're not a prisoner, then there's a major problem going on, man. You see? There's a major problem going on. Especially if this person claiming that, they did their studying, they did their research, and their affidavit can help you, stay out of the system. When it seems like to me, they want you to enter information in containing a prisoner, someone who is in jail. So obviously, a lot of his clients are in jail, or they're becoming in jail. You see, or they've been threatened with jail. And I know this for a fact that his clients are being threatened with jail. I know this for a fact. Clients are getting threatened left and right from hands. And so they come to me. So again, now you guys know why he's saying write a writ of habeas corpus, because a lot of his clients are ending up in jail. And that means to free the person or to free the prisoner. So the guy, again, guys, he don't know what he's doing. Stay far away from the cat, man. Like I stated before, I'm not doing this videos for me. I'm doing this videos for you guys to have complete understanding, and to watch out and keep your eyes open for these agents out here, man. I don't know why he would tell you guys to write a writ of habeas corpus, like I stated before, and you guys are not in jail. So again, you guys continue to fight. You guys need my help. Hit me up, man. Donate and get the ball moving. But until then, y'all be blessed. Shalom, YouTube.